Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome video which is an omelette with some meat inside. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, let's do the omelette. You'll need 350 grams of grated cheese, 5 eggs in a bowl. Then add some 250 grams of mayonnaise and then cheese. And mix it all together. Now on a baking sheet with some baking paper, let's form the omelette. Then send it to the oven for about 15 minutes in 200 degrees Celsius. Now let's prepare the meat. I'm cutting 1 onion into small pieces. Then in a bowl add half of a kilogram of meat, then the onion, some salt and pepper, and then 75 milliliters of water and mix it very well. Now when the omelette is done, let it sit until it's cooled down. After, let's add the meat mixture. Then roll it out and send it again to the oven for about 40 or 45 minutes in 180 degrees Celsius. When it's all done, you can eat it when it's hot or let it cool down. Love this recipe because it's so easy and delicious and super original. If you liked it, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.